Well, guys, here's the aftermath of the winter storm in Alabama. We got about 2.5, maybe 3 inches. That's the most snow that we've had in a good bit. We're gonna come out here and check the worms and make sure they're doing okay. We know the worms out there in that building are doing okay. All the heat's got the snow melting off the building. But I gotta go out here and check these ones right here. I gotta get all that snow off. You can see where it's sagging. It's weighing it in. Let's check these bad boys right here and make sure they're doing okay. Come on, little fellas. I hope y'all are doing okay. Look at that. Look at them lively worms just bouncing around in there. That one's good. Tell you what, man, them seed heaters. Oh, look at that. Them seed heaters are lifesavers. If you got worms outside and you get cold weather, you've got to have the seed heater. Ain't many there. These must be down. You got to have the seed heaters to keep them babies warm. They will save your worms for you. Oh, this one got wet. This head's got snow in it. Look at that. They everywhere. So they're doing their thing. Ooh, this one got real wet. Snow blowed in on this one. But as you can see, the worms are doing fine. So there's your, I don't know if you want to call it a pro tip. It's pretty much a common sense tip. You got bins outside, 100% invest in you some seed heaters, because they will save your worms. Alright, gang, I'm just gonna give you an update. I gotta get all the snow off these buildings here. It's still snowing, or maybe that's just the water dripping off the trees. But y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy the snow. Try not to get sick, and we'll talk to y'all after a while. Have a good one, guys. Bye.